Hi friends, once again I am in my home lab. I am going to try some variety things. We all are using this type of sanitizers today. Glycerol based. I am now checking the efficiency of this glycerol based sanitizers, whether it is working properly or not. Just I am checking the efficiency of the sanitizers using my small lab. That will be today's video. In today's video I will be also showing you how to culture microorganisms. People who are not aware of how to culture microorganisms, I will show you how we are culturing microorganisms in the lab. This media is one which I am taking. It's a request 23 grams per 1 liter. So I'm just using my measuring my weighing balance. So I'm putting my paper. So here we need only 2.3 grams. So I will tare it first. So it is already tared. So I will now take 2.3 grams. As I am adjusting it with a tripod, it is too difficult for you people to see. It's 2.3 grams I am taking here. I'm going to prepare 100 ml of the media. Is what. So this is a small spoon which I have taken from the kitchen only. So 2.3 gram is ready now. So all of my things are from some recycled things or something you can call. So I will take my this is a conical flask which is we use to heat this so that it will become a gel like condition. So people know microbiology know it very well. So I'm just telling it to people who don't know it very well. So I will be putting this media. This is the food of the bacteria. So bacteria, fungus, everything will be growing in this. You can see here I have put it in the conical flask. So now I will pour water to this and then I will autoclave this. Autoclave means I am using a pressure cooker from my kitchen for the autoclaving. So you can see here. So what I use for measuring the water, 100 ml water is this one I'm using for medicines. It's 10 ml. I will take it for 5 times. I don't have a measuring cylinder or anything, so it's somewhat approximate. I will take it 5 times. So I have just poured the water in the medium. So I will just autoclave this. Autoclave means just pressure cooker. In pressure cooker I will keep it for 15 minutes after the whistle, so that it will be autoclaved. Autoclaved means after autoclaving, every microorganisms, everything in this water which I have taken or this medium which I have taken will be killed. Only the microorganism which I am going to inoculate or going to add to this medium will be growing in this. So I am trying to kill all the organisms present in this water which I have taken for preparing this medium. I'm going to kill, and then I will grow the new organisms in that. So this medium need to be poured in these petri plates. I have shown this you people. Petri plates, it's a plate. This is also I need to autoclave. So that in this only I am just adding this medium, and in this petri plates only we are going to grow the microorganisms, and we are going to do the experiments also. So I am just autoclaving this. So this is the autoclaved media, autoclaved pressure cooker media. This is sterilized. From here I will not talk much. I will be giving the instructions via after recording this. I am just pouring to these petri plates this. So from here I will not give any direct informations. So I am going to do the experiment with these 3 plates in order to check the efficiency of this sanitizer. It's a glycerol based sanitizer. So the plate is ready, it is solidified now. So I am going to press my hand up to what I can press. Press my hand. Then I will take the sanitizer and rub it. Then again I will press the press in this one, so that we can know the change without using sanitizer and using sanitizer. Then I will keep this hand here for 1 minute like this, and then after 1 minute what will be the effect of sanitizer. That is what we will look on to. So this hand plate I am removing. I had pressed my hand, all my bacteria, fungi, all this present in my hand will be transferred to this plate. So I will keep this out, and then I am going to take this sanitizer 1. So sanitizer I have taken, which company I don't know. This is the sanitizer. This company doesn't matter. This is a glycerol based sanitizer. So as we do every time, we will just rubbing the hands with the sanitizer. So then I will take the sanitizer 1. Press the same way I have pressed there. I am keeping this for some time. Nearly half a minute to 1 minute. My hand will be now contact with the air. How much this sanitizing can be durable or can be extended, that is what I am trying to look. Nearly more than 30 seconds over. Let us check the effectiveness of sanitizing. So I am done with this also. So we will incubate this for 24 hours in our DIY incubator, which I have shown earlier. I am not sure. After 24 hours, we are now going to check the efficiency of this sanitizer. This is a gel type sanitizer. This is of company Bacter Shield. This company never matters. This is a gel type sanitizer which we use. It's alcohol containing sanitizer. So we are now going to check. It's alcohol containing sanitizer, so we are trying to check. They are saying 99% germ kill, like that they are saying. So as you see in that earlier video, I will show it. We have enough growth here. You can see enough growth in the hand without sanitizer. So I will be showing it more clearer. I will be wearing mask during that. Opening this is not allowed, or it is not a good practice, but I will show it when because this petit plate is bit fussy in nature. So I will open it and show you. So this is the petit plate with my hand without using the sanitizer. You can see my fingers everywhere. There is very good growth after 24 hours. This is just a counting media, so maybe the growth may be somewhat bit less. So we can see some of the bacteria growing there. This is a sanitizer first. Sanitizer just after applying sanitizer. You can see there is these two colonies you can see the side. It may be occurred due to contamination or something. I have just put my hand in between here only. So there is no colonies you can see at the areas which I have pressed. Because I have not used a laminar airflow or anything, so this occurred due to the contamination. These two colonies occurred due to contamination. You can see it precisely here. After sanitizer, I have kept for 30-40 seconds. After applying sanitizer, I have kept for 30-40 seconds. You can see the clear plate here. No colony, nothing is here. So it is saying that the use of the sanitizer is very important. As they are saying, they are going to kill most of the 99.9% of the microbes. So try to after the corona problem is solved, also try to use this, because most of the microbes can be removed by using this type of sanitizers. It's a very try to make it as a routine thing. So as we proved that just you can see the two plates here. You can see the two plates here. This is the without sanitizer plate. You can see the bacteria. This is the with sanitizer. After 40 seconds after applying the sanitizer, I have kept 40 seconds in air. You need to know that in the air a lot of microorganism will present. So after 40 seconds also, no microorganism is present. You can see these differences. You can see this is the hand one, and this is the this is after sanitizer. You can see the differences. So I will now show it closely the microorganisms. I am using the mask. Only. So with the mask only I am opening, and I will just show you people what is inside and the rest of it. So you can see the bacteria here in this plate. The bacteria from my hands before applying the sanitizer. You can see it closely. A lot of bacteria is present in our hands. Lot of different types of bacteria. You can see different colors, different forms, different types of bacteria. You can see here. That much our hands are contaminated. Our hands contain this much of bacteria. You can see my marks of my fingerprints. I have put only 3 fingers, I think so. So you can see from my hand this much bacteria. This is only a plate count agar, so every bacteria can't grow. Anyway, you can see this much bacteria is present in your hand, and this can cause lot of trouble to you. You can see the next sanitizer one. Just after applying sanitizer, you can see only that side, in this side only two and some amount of bacteria, but I have not touched the side. I think this is somewhat fungal like appearance, fungal or actinomycetes, I think so. So only that side, I think it's because of the contamination, because I have not used. You can see my fingerprints here. You can see no bacteria is here. You can see my fingerprints in the light. You can see no bacteria is being grown. Just after applying, you can see the light is going through the fingerprint. No bacteria is grown just after applying the sanitizer. You can see it will be evident when I open the next one. You can see this. It is completely devoid of any microorganisms. This is the strength, or this is why I recommend you to use sanitizers continuously. So hope you enjoyed my video in this my home lab. I'll be coming with this type of experiments, more this type of experiments. Please subscribe to my channel and keep visited.